You may be producing from just a very small space using simple equipment. And maybe you started out with just few customers, but that does not mean that your business should look small. You don't have to become a big company before you start looking like a brand. It is in making your product special that you grow up. So you don't have to be, big before you start looking professional. It is in your looking professional that you become big. Don't forget, how you present your product today is one of the things that will determine how your product will come out tomorrow. In today's video, I want to share 4 things that you can do to turn your small scale production business into a brand. If you are ready, guys, let's get started. Stop looking at your product as just something you make, because this is where your mindset comes in. Because however you look at your product today and your business today determines how it becomes. You are not just making products like liquid soap, toilet wash, and the rest. You are creating products that will meet people's needs. You are creating value. You are making products that will solve people's problems. So start looking in that direction. So the question you should ask yourself is, who are my customers? Who are the ones I'm targeting to reach? And what kind of experience do I want them to have with my products? What kind of feedback will I be expecting from people that are using my products? Because that will help you to know how to present your products. The next thing is, give your product a clear identity. People should not buy your product today, use it and like it, then the next time they want it, they cannot locate you. Design your product in a way that anywhere, anytime, people can easily identify it. Whether you are standing by or you are not there, they can easily associate your product with your business. Give it a clear identity. Big brands don't rule out this because they know it's one of the strategies that will take the business to another level. So let your business and your product carry a clear design of your logo. Then your contact information should be, boldly written on it, so that anytime they want to reach you, it will be easy for them to access you. People should not use your product and cannot see it again. So that is why this is very, very important. You want to turn your small production business into a brand, you must go for quality brand. And this does not mean that you have to spend big amount of money on it, but making it sharp, beautiful, attractive, and very clear. If you have been using products from big brands, for instance, bathing soap, you can see that bathing soap has consistent quality, consistent fragrance. And maybe if they are changing the shape, the company takes time to reintroduce the product to the public. So what am I saying? Give your product consistent quality. Make sure that everything about it is consistent. The quality, the color, the fragrance. So anytime, anywhere they pick it, they know that this product is from so and so company. If you want to make a change, then you have to really notify your customers. Make it public. That is why you see some big brands advertise the new look of their product. They don't just change it and feel like we have customers, they will buy. They have to let the customers know that this product that used to look this way is now looking like this, though the content remains the same. So when we talk about consistency in quality here, it entails a lot. The quality of the product, the color, the bottle, the size, the shape, the design. And if in case you want to change any of these ones, you have to make it clear to your customers. The next and the last one for today is give your customers unforgettable experience with your products. If your product is consistent with quality, if your customer service is top-notch, if your packaging is attractive and beautiful, then you know the experience your customers are going to have with your product will be something unforgettable. So even if they have used the product, they have forgotten about how much they bought it, but the experience you have given them with your product will make them to look for it again and again. As we close today, I want you to remember a product is what you make, but a brand is what people will remember. So in today's video, we have touched a few things that you need to put into practice. Think highly of your product and give it that look that will make people that you are targeting to see it as something that they can pick. Again, create consistency in your quality, your packaging, your designs, and give people unforgettable experience. I tell you, gradually you will turn this your small production business into a brand that people will identify with. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of the video. If you have found this useful, don't forget to give us thumbs up, share this video to friends, and please subscribe to Unique Home Solutions and More if you haven't already. Every Saturday like this, we bring business ideas that will move small-scale businesses to the next level. And on Mondays, we talk about oil perfume and how to build a business around it. On Thursdays, we bring you tutorials on cleaning products, liquid soap, toilet wash, bleach, and the rest. So please stay tuned for more. God bless you and bye.